Hi friends, so in this video we will learn how to install Windows OS in MacBook Air. So first we have to download ISO file of Windows 10. So for that we have to search for Windows ISO file in the Safari browser and then open the second one to download ISO file. So this is the official Microsoft site. So from here now we have to download ISO file. From here please select Windows 10 Multi, click on confirm button, wait for it. Now select the region, click on confirm. Now select 64-bit to download the ISO file. Now let's wait for download this ISO file. Once it will download it, we have to open Boot Camp in MacBook Air. So Boot Camp is the inbuilt application provided by Apple. Let's check the download status. So it's almost downloaded. Yeah, it's down. Let's open. So you can find it in your Finder, the ISO file. So now we have to open that bootcamp from Finder. Search for bootcamp. Yeah, click on continue. Now select the partition and select the ISO file which you downloaded. So this is the process to download Windows support software and installation process. So let's wait for it. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, it's done. Type the password. So after that your PC will restart and Windows installation process will start. And select next. Select I don't have product key. Select next and select the Windows version which you want to install. Click I agree. Click next. And here you have to format the drive to which you have to download Windows. Format it and select the drive and click on next. So the installation process is started now. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes and then your PC will restart. So let's wait. And after your PC restart, you have to set up your PC, create an account for your PC. Now please follow the Windows setup process. So now this bootcamp application will automatically open after the restart. Now wait for this process. So it will automatically install all the drivers required for your Windows OS. So it will restart after the process. Now all the process is done and OS is installed on your Mac. Now check for update so that your Windows is up to date. And you can switch Mac to OS by click option button while restart your computer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.